my hair braid. Oh my god, marami na namang napuputo na hair ko because I have a lot of, you know, like this. Oh, can you see that, guys? Or maybe I was, this happens if I always tie my hair. Yeah, napuputo sila. So maybe like, yun yung nangyayari. And guys, today is already September 1. Grabe, bare na. It's almost Christmas, and nung dumaan kami doon sa yung tugtog nila is na, Pasko, frosted snowman. grabe, excited kayo sila. September 1, frosted snowman na dyan. Oh my God, grabe ang bilis. Matatapos na yung 2018. Grabe. And yeah, today is Saturday pala. Medyo traffic. Oh my God, it's busy here. Yan. Medyo maraming sasakyan ngayon. I don't know why. Saturday. But supposedly I have a hair client today, but hindi tumuloy. I know. Hindi siya tumuloy. So iba na lang yung gagawin namin. Yan. Si Mr. Ricky, the monkey. Yan. So, I don't know if I'm going to, ilang araw na guys yung when I, ilang pala, araw or vlogs na pala. Then I wanted to started a vlog or do a vlog, pero nung mga dumang araw, I was busy doing hair, kaya hindi matuloy-tuloy yung vlog ko. Ano lang, sa morning lang. Nag-start ako mag-vlog sa morning, and then wala na. Kasi busy na. Tapos yun. So today, I'm gonna try to vlog today. Hopefully, kasi it's been like mga 1 week na. 1 week or more na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi straight na may client ako the whole day. Oh, you cannot hear me. It's so maingay. So hopefully today, I'm gonna vlog. But I don't know what to vlog. Wala namang interesting today, hopefully, but I'm gonna do an update with you with my forehead. Yan, my forehead looks better, and I'm planning to film a video na about dedicated to my forehead on how I get rid of pero may bago akong ganito, pero not that biggie na na din siya, nag-dried up na din siya. But yeah, I'm so excited na hopefully I can film the video na. Yeah, it's been a month na since I'm doing that one, so it's time to do a dedicated video on that. Yeah, I'm so happy. So you will find out soon kung ano to guys, or ewan ko lang kung ano yung ma-upload ko una itong vlog na to or yun. But yun, let's see. So 3 minutes na talking, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye. So I'm here sa aking salon, and ayan, we are clearing the salon. You may be wondering why we are clearing the salon. Well, I'm gonna tell you later. Why? Oh, muna na ba? Oh, Daijobu. So, yan. Tapos, diyan sana ako baka magamit yan. So, ayan, I already removed my stuff here, guys. Yan. I partially cleaned it already from all the dust and stuff. Ayan, wala na yung TV. Yan na lang yung naiwan. But there's not much here, guys. Ito lang naman yung Tapos andyan pa rin yung mirror. Ayan, wala nang yung TV tsaka electric fan sa counter. So, babalik muna kami sa bahay, guys. Because we are going to kasi puno na yung yung sasakyan namin. Wala na kasi kaming multi-cab. Buti before kasi meron pa yung multi-cab yung brother ko. But since wala na, binenta na niya, pinalitan na niya yung ibang sasakyan. So, we are going to ihatid muna namin yung ibang gamit, and then we are going to kapot more of this. I don't know if we are going to finish this today, but yeah, we still have a lot of days. You may might be wondering why naghahakot kami. I'm gonna tell you later. So, nagmamadali na ako. I'm going to lock the gate kasi aalis na kami. See you later. Hello, friendships. We are home. Yan. Umuwi na kami ng bahay, guys, kasi but we're not yet done na maghakot ng mga things. So, babalik pa kami doon. But nag-chill muna kami. Nag-lunch muna kami. That's Ati's legs. And, yun. After, chill muna kami. After mag-chill, then we will be going back to the salon again para maghakot. And I also, did I turn off the tubig? Can you turn off please, ate? Baka mapuno na to. Kasi na. Hoy, awi was dito sa yan, gusto ko sana ng ganito, guys, pero you can see me, it's against the light, so ganito na lang tayo, okay? Yan, so I already fed the dogs kasi usually I fed them like sa morning 8 or 9, then this morning 8 AM ko sila pinakain, kaya so I feed them early, mga 1:30. Yeah, kasi gutom na sila. Grabe, si Miguel was so hungry and Maui so hungry. Ang bilis-bilis na ubos ng foodie nila. Dan, where ito?
Wala pa ni.
And then, oh my God, exposure's changing. So yun, so it's almost 4. It's not 4:02. It's 1:45 to 2. So usually I feed them 9, 2, and 7 PM in the evening para 7 PM para hindi na manghihingi ng foodie. Kasi usually pag si mother yung naiwan, tapos pinakain niya yung mga dogs, pinapakain niya ng 5 PM, and what happened is, nagugutom si Maui, especially Maui, nagugutom siya, and I need to feed him yung around 8, kasi hindi siya, nag-iingay na siya, guys. He will not stop if you are not going to feed him. So, yun si Miguel, So, Miguel's on the loose kasi I'm training Miguel to be... Miguel, down. Miguel, up. Go home. I am training Miguel to be a good boy, but he's not a good boy, Go home, babe. Go home. If I'm gonna tell Miguel, go home, and this what happens. Ayan. Yan yung ginagawa ni Miguel, guys, if I tell him to go home. Naughty, batuti. So, yan. Mga 2 o'clock, babalik na naman kami doon at maghahakot, guys. So, hey, friends! Oh my God. That yawn was so big. So, andito ako sa labas. Guys, kasi pinalabas ko si Miguel. Ang ingay niya, pinauwiwi ko siya. So, diba sabi ko kanina na we will be going back to my salon to maghahakot kami ng gamit doon, but it turned out na hindi kami nakabalik doon, guys, kasi he was feeling lazy, I guess, and nakatulog din ako, and I just woke up from a nap, like I think I slept like around mga 3 PM, and now it's almost 4 lang, mga 45 minutes or 1 hour nakatulog ako. Then I woke up kasi ang ingay ni Miguel was crying, he wants to go out with Maui. Yan silang dalawa. So yan, I feel like it seems like guys, parang uulan. Yeah, hopefully uulan kasi ang init, grabe ang init. Parang narinig ko sa news na parang may El Nino yata. El Nino. Tapos, September, El Nino. Supposedly, diba, dapat rainy season na ngayon kasi, na, pumasok na yung, tapos na yung June, July. Psst! Miguel! Psst! Miguel, grabe si Miguel. Kumakain ng ng dahon. Tapos, yan, sasakit naman yung sorry. Excuse my iwi face. But, yeah. Yung iwi. Tapos, parang nagluluha yung mata ko, guys, kaya ganyan yung tsura niya. So yun nga, I am hoping na sana uulan naman kasi kahapon buwan ng wika, tapos umulan from morning, early morning umulan na, and it was so beautiful kasi ang lamig. I'm wishing talaga na lumamig naman yung paligid, guys, kasi ang init, grabe. It's like 40 degrees or something dito sa Cebu, I don't know. Pero yun nga ang init. But yesterday pala umulan ng like mga simula umagang hapon, but it's not, hindi yung malakas na ulan, yung lang, yung basta umulan ng malakas first, and then yung konti-konti na ulan yun kahapon. So it was really cold last night, and this morning then when naligo ako, it was really cold, and I really like it. So ngayon hapon na, it's almost 4, and medyo malamig yung hangin, guys. I really like it. Bad talaga itong si Miguel. Kinakain lahat niya. Sorry guys, if interrupted yung sinasabi ko, kasi Miguel is getting bad. Kinakain niya yung dahon, yung bato. Oh my god. Kinakain niya lahat. Comment down below, guys, if your dog eats bato or stone. Comment down below if you notice na pag nilalabas na yung dogs nyo, kinakain na yung bato. Yan si Miguel at saka si Mau, kinakain nila yung bato. Tapos 'di ba ang hangin ngayon, yung mga lumilipad na mga dahon, kinakain din nila. Weird daw. Kaya yung poop nila siya may look so weird. Sometimes look so weird talaga. Yan. Oh, I like it. Ang lamig ng hangin. Grabe. Ayan. Yan, kinakain ni Miguel yung bato. No! I said, ikaw ha, go home, go home. Go home, be, go home, be. Hi, we. Bad si Miguel, we, no? Ikaw lang ang good boy, we. Laki na ni Maui. Tapos pink yung harness niya. Well, are you a girl, we? Now, I'm a boy. Ilang harness na yung naubos ni Maui, guys. He's biting on it. Kaya napuputol. Awi, hoy Miguel. Hoy Miguel. Bad kay ka, ha? Ipatukhang ka ron, ha? Gusto ka itukhang, ha? Wi?